If you're trading forex or gold on Exness, a stop loss and take profit are essential. They automatically close your trade to control risk and lock profits. And here's exactly how to set them. So you can do it firstly before opening the trade. So you can do this, for example, from the mobile app, or you can use the web as well if you wish. And then open the terminal and select the pair. For example, Euro and USD. Tap Trade and then New Order. In the order panel, find stop loss and enter the price where your trade should close in loss. Then enter your take profit price, the level where you want to secure profit. And then press buy or sell. If your trade is already open, go to positions, tap the open position and choose modify. And then add your stop loss and take profit prices and confirm. Then you can just open the chart and enable trading lines. Drag the line below entry for stop loss and above entry for take profit. Exness applies it instantly. And this is how you set both in Exness. If you enjoy these kind of videos, make sure to subscribe and like the video.